So we've just looked at the base case situation here when the firm purchased the PP&E. Sometimes firms do not just purchase one item, it will purchase several items at the same time. So, and this is called the lump sum purchase. And then let's look at what to do, how to do accounting under a lump sum purchase. So again, here's an example. Firm B pays 600 million for land, building, and equipment. The fair value of each is 500 million for land. Building is 300 million, equipment is 200 million. What is your journal entry? Please spend 1 minute, try to write out a journal entry, and you can pause your video for now. So the journal entry here is to debit land for 300 million. Debit building for 180 million. Debit equipment for 120 million. And credit cash for 600 million. So how do we get this? First of all, how do we get the 300 million for land? So the total money the firm paid is 600 million. And then land, the fair value of the land is 500 million over 500 plus 300 plus 200 million. So the total fair value of land, building, equipment, that is 1 billion here, right? That's 500 plus 300 plus 200. That is the total fair value of land, building, and equipment. And within this lump sum purchase, land has 500 million of this 1 billion. So so we take 500 million divided by 1 billion and multiply by 600 million, which is what the firm paid for this lump sum purchase. So that is how we get 300 million. And similarly, can you write out how we get this 180 million for building? So for building, 600 million multiplied by 300 million over 500 plus 300 plus 200. So that is for building. And similarly for equipment, we have 600 million multiplied by 200 million divided by 500 plus 300 plus 200. So that is how we get to the this 320 for equipment. So the general rule here is, in the case of a group purchase of assets, the total purchase price must be allocated among all of the individual assets according to the fair value of the asset. So group purchase of assets, allocate among all of the individual assets according to the fair value of the asset. So the key word here is, it is according to the fair value of the asset. So that is what we do in the lump sum purchase.